Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Contact Form Builder section. This powerful feature allows you to create fully customized contact forms tailored to your store's needs. Whether it's inquiries, feedback, or support requests, you can streamline communication and elevate your customer experience. Let's dive in. Accessing the section. To access the Contact Form Builder section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template. Then locate the Contact Form Builder section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings and open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Contact Form Builder section. To add it to your page, click Add Section, search for Contact Form Builder, and select it. Once added, you'll have access to all customization options. You can control where success or error messages appear after form submission. When enabled, messages are displayed at the bottom of the form. When disabled, messages are displayed at the top of the form. After submission, you have two options for handling form entries. Customer List adds the contact to your Shopify customer list. Email sends the submission directly to the admin email. You can also enable customer tag fields to better organize and manage your contacts. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the Contact Form Builder section to your store's branding with color schemes including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. You can also adjust the form input max width, ranging from 40 rem to 100 rem, depending on your design preference. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options. The Contact Form Builder allows you to add multiple input field types such as button, checkbox, date, email, input, message, phone, radio, select, and separator. Now let's walk through a simple example to understand how the Contact Form Builder customization works. Start by adding a form input block to begin customizing your form. The block name is used internally, so it's best not to modify it, as this may affect functionality. You can customize the input title and name based on your preference. Enable the required option if the field must be filled out before submission. If disabled, the field becomes optional. Choose how much space the field takes within the form layout. Full width, the field spans the entire row for better visibility. Half width, the field shares space with another field, allowing 2 inputs in a single row. You can also customize the validation message shown when a required field is left empty. The same customization settings apply across all input fields, making it easy to create and manage your form. And that's it. Your contact form builder section is now fully set up and ready to use. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.